Hello and welcome. Look, we know that when you're sourcing ingredients, nothing, and I mean nothing, is more important than trust. So this is a quick look at the verified third-party proof behind the quality of our Moringa leaf powder. It's about giving you the transparency you need to be absolutely confident in your supply chain. Here at Kadoula, our entire brand is really built on one simple promise: to be your most trusted source for high-quality, global wellness ingredients. And that's not just some marketing slogan. It's the standard we live by for every single batch that leaves our facility. So here's what we're going to cover. We'll start with our core commitment, then we'll walk through the independent lab analysis, hitting on both purity and safety. And finally, we'll show you how this all comes together to make us the ideal partner for your business. All right, let's dive right in with our core principle, a commitment to excellence. This isn't just about us delivering a product. It's about delivering on a promise of quality that is backed by undeniable, rock-solid proof. You know, we truly believe that great partnerships are all about trust. And that's exactly why we don't ask you to just take our word for it when it comes to quality. We prove it with independent verification. That transparency, that's the foundation of everything we do. But that's a fair question, right? How exactly do we back up that commitment to you? Well, we do it with hard, verifiable data. Let's take a look at the results. Okay, so this is where we get into the real proof. Let's analyze our Moringa powder. For this, we're going to look at the completely impartial results from a certified independent third-party laboratory. So, what are we looking at? It's our Moringa leaf powder, an absolutely incredible, nutrient-packed ingredient. And to be really specific, all the data we're about to see is for lot number ASU 080126001. We test every single batch because consistency is key. And to make sure everything is completely impartial, we don't do this testing ourselves. We use Willaba Analytical Laboratories. They're a complete food and water testing lab, which means their results are accurate, unbiased, and something you can absolutely bank on. First up, let's talk about purity. This is so important. We're looking at the microbiological analysis, which is designed to find any potentially harmful organisms. And honestly, these results pretty much speak for themselves. You can see it right there. Tests for things like E. coli, salmonella, and other nasty bacteria all came back absent. Plus, with a total plate count under 10, the data just confirms this is a remarkably pure and clean product. So what's the bottom line here? It's simple, really. The data gives you undeniable proof that our Moringa powder is exceptionally clean and free from the microbiological contaminants that are frankly a huge concern when you're sourcing raw ingredients. All right, but purity is only one part of the story. Let's move on to quality and safety. This covers both the physical profile of the powder and the analysis for any heavy metal contaminants. First, let's talk about the sensory profile. The lab confirmed what we already knew and what we demand in every batch: a fine, free-flowing green powder with that signature earthy and grassy smell, and a slightly bitter, earthy taste. This profile tells you the product is authentic and it's been processed perfectly to keep all its natural qualities. Now let's turn to something that's on everyone's mind: heavy metals safety. And again, the results are just fantastic. For mercury and arsenic, the levels were BLQ. That means they were below the limit of quantitation, so low the lab's equipment couldn't even pick them up. And for lead and cadmium, the results are way, way below the maximum safety limits. Let's just zoom in on one of these numbers to really put it in perspective. Take a look at the lead result, which came in at 1.19 milligrams per kilogram. So that number, 1.19, what does it really mean? Well, it means we are almost 90% below the maximum safety limit. This isn't just passing a test, this is acing it. It's safety by a massive margin, which gives you, and more importantly, your customers, absolute peace of mind. Okay, so we've looked at a lot of data. What does this all mean for you and for your business? It means you can build your business on a foundation of proven, verifiable quality with a partner you know you can trust. It really just boils down to this. The Kadoula guarantee isn't just a promise, it's a proven fact. The third-party analysis confirms our Moringa has exceptional purity. It's free from harmful bacteria, it meets the highest standards of quality in its physical and sensory profile. And it demonstrates uncompromising safety, with contaminant levels far below all regulated limits. At the end of the day, our commitment to quality is our promise to you. It's your complete assurance that when you partner with Kadoula, you are choosing excellence.
So we've laid out the data. We've shown you the proof behind our promise. Really, there's only one question left. Are you ready to build your products on a foundation of proven quality?